It's just the beginning of the new year and we have already come to a point when we are seeing the first Tech Expo. Yes, we are talking about the Consumer Electronics Show or CES 2021. Now, last year it wasn't all that affected because it took place just before all the countries started imposing the lockdown, but this year the event will be held online. Now, that basically means that the tech majors wouldn't be heading over to the swanky streets of Las Vegas. Instead, they would be holding all the events online in the form of live streams. Now, that doesn't mean that they would be held back by the lack of a physical event. No, because all the major league players would be present, be it LG, be it Samsung, be it Intel, Microsoft, all the players would be there. Now, what's gonna come up next is basically a walkthrough of all the keynotes that we would be seeing, all the major keynotes that we would be seeing over the course of the next 4 days. And also one more thing, that the event will basically take place between today, that is 11th of January, Monday 11th of January 2021, all the way till 14th of January, Thursday 14th of January 2021. Now, if you think that this video has helped you to be up to date with all the kinds of tech developments taking place at CES, do not forget to drop us a like and also consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that bell icon so that you are always notified of our latest videos. Now let's start the walkthrough. Since the event will be taking place according to US timings, all the keynotes would mostly be held either during evening hours or during late night hours. On 11th January, that is tonight, we can expect LG and Samsung to make some major announcements. Samsung's latest flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S21, may not be unveiled on the first day of CES, as Samsung said that its Unpacked event will take place on 14th. But what about TVs? Well, they have already unveiled that in a pre-CES live stream. They boast Samsung's latest micro LED and Neo QLED tech. This basically means that we can expect the less conventional stuff from Samsung's incubation program called C-Lab. So things like a portable oxygen device called AirPocket and a digital avatar creator called Flux Planet may make the headlines. Now, LG, like every year at CES, will showcase its latest line of TVs. During the presentation, we can expect the speakerless bendable OLED TV that has already been unveiled earlier this year. We can also expect the world's first eye-safe certified TV that reduces blue light emissions, and also the new version of LG's UI called WebOS 6.0. Tuesday the 12th will be a busy day. We will have announcements from Sony, AMD, Nvidia, Intel and Asus's Republic of Gamers or ROG division. AMD will introduce Ryzen mobile chipsets for laptops alongside a more affordable Radeon 6000 series card. We can also expect Nvidia to introduce laptop variants of the GeForce RTX 30 series graphics cards. Intel may introduce its next-gen Rocket Lake processors, and you will also see it talk more about its work in AI, 5G and autonomous vehicles. Asus ROG may reveal gaming laptops that are powered by all the new things revealed by AMD, Nvidia and Intel. Now we are coming to Sony in just a moment because it will also conduct a keynote on the next day as well. Now let's move on to the last 2 days of the Tech Expo, and honestly no one really knows what these guys would be announcing. On 13th January, we will have announcements from Sony, Microsoft and Asus. Sony has already pulled out the big guns by launching the PS5 and also its 2021 TV models, and they all make use of PS5's fancy HDMI 2.1 features. Now, Microsoft has been tight-lipped about what's to come, and Asus may just launch some motherboards and mainstream laptops that are based on the latest processors. When it comes to MSI, on 14th of January, again some new gaming laptops may be on the way with the latest and greatest processors and graphics card. And that was our preview of the CES 2021. Are you holding your breath for a certain tech announcement? Let us know in the comments. And for all things tech, log on to Gadgets360.com.